Choose the correct sentence. A. She is a doctor in a hospital. B. She a doctor in a hospital is. C. She doctor is in a hospital. Complete the sentence. I dashed my keys at home yesterday. A. Forget. B. Forgot. C. Forgetting. Choose the correct word. He dashed to his grandmother's house every summer. A. Goes. B. Went. C. Go. Find the antonym of sharp. A. Pointed. B. Blunt. C. Narrow. Pick the synonym of difficult. A. Easy. B. Hard. C. Smooth. Complete the sentence. I dash a movie with my friends last night. A. Watch. B. Watching. C. Watched. Choose the correct word. He dash a gift for her birthday. A. Buys. B. Buying. C. Bought. Pick the antonym of cold. A. Warm. B. Freezing. C. Chilly. Choose the correct analogy. Painter. Over canvas. Over chef. Over A. Plate. B. Kitchen. C. Food. Complete the sentence. They dashed dinner when the phone rang. A. Were having. B. Had. C. Are having. Find the synonym of fast. A. Quick. B. Slow. C. Quiet. Choose the correct word. She does her homework right now. A. Does. B. Do. C. Is doing. Pick the correct sentence. A. He were playing football when I saw him. B. He was playing football when I saw him. C. He is playing football when I saw him. Complete the sentence. I dash my lunch when the teacher entered the class. A. Eat. B. Was eating. C. Eating. Find the antonym of light. A. Heavy. B. Small. C. Tall. Choose the correct word. She dash a letter to her friend yesterday. A. Wrote. B. Writes. C. Writing. Pick the synonym of brave. A. Coward. B. Fearless. C. Timid. Complete the sentence. They dash on the project when I left the office. A. Worked. B. Were working. C. Are working. Choose the correct analogy. Farmer, field. Sailor. A. Boat. B. Ocean. C. Port. Find the antonym of hard. A. Soft. B. Tough. C. Strong. Pick the correct word. I dash my best friend last week. A. Saw. B. See. C. Seeing. Complete the sentence. She dashed to school every day. A. Goes. B. Go. C. Going. Choose the correct analogy. Pen, write. Spoon, stir. A. Eat. B. Stir. C. Cut. Find the synonym of tired. A. Energetic. B. Exhausted. C. Active. Choose the correct word. We dash our friends at the park every weekend. A. Meet. B. Meets. C. Meeting. Pick the antonym of clean. A. Messy. B. Neat. C. Organized. Complete the sentence. They dash in the park when it started raining. A. Were running. B. Run. C. Are running. Choose the correct word. I dash to the store to buy groceries. A. Going. B. Goes. C. Went. Find the synonym of beautiful. A. Ugly. B. Pretty. C. Loud. Pick the antonym of big. A. Large. B. Small. C. Huge. Choose the correct word. We dash a great time at the party. A. Had. B. Have. C. Having. Complete the sentence. I dash to the gym every morning. A. Goes. B. Gone. C. Go. Pick the correct analogy. Teacher. School. Doctor. A. Hospital. B. Clinic. C. Lab. Find the antonym of full. A. Empty. B. Wide. C. Tall. Complete the sentence. She to her grandmother's house when she was younger. A. Go. B. Went. C. Going. Pick the correct word. They dash to the cinema tomorrow. A. Goes. B. A going. C. Going. Find the synonym of sad. A. Happy. B. Miserable. C. Cheerful. Complete the sentence. I dash to finish the book tonight. A. Want. B. Wants. C. Wanting. Pick the correct analogy. Doctor. My medicine. Chef. A. Food. B. Knife. C. Kitchen. Find the antonym of rich. A. Wealthy. B. poor, C. Affluent. Complete the sentence.
He's homework before dinner yesterday. A. Does. B. Did. C. Doing.
Pick the correct word. We dashed to the beach last weekend. A. Went. B. Go. C. Goes. Choose the correct sentence. A. He was sleeping when I called. B. He was sleeping when I called. C. He is sleeping when I called. Find the synonym of loud. A. Quiet. B. Noisy. C. Silent. Complete the sentence. I him a message yesterday. A. Send. B. Sends. C. Sent. Choose the correct analogy. Tree. Forest. Star. A. Sky. B. Planet. C. Galaxy. Pick the antonym of soft. A. Hard. B. Smooth. C. Wet. Complete the sentence. They dash to the zoo every year. A. Go. B. Gone. C. Going. Pick the synonym of funny. A. Hilarious. B. Sad. C. Angry. Choose the correct word. He dash a new car last month. A buys bus. C. Bought.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos, and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.